Okay, I have a Monster Bluetooth speaker. It's the, look on the bottom here, it's the Soundstage S1. Okay, Soundstage S1. It's a good little speaker. As far as sound quality, I really like the sound quality. I've been really pleased with that. But ever since I've had it, I had a problem with the turning it on. This on button. When it's off, it's red. And in theory, it's supposed to be a touch sensor. So you're supposed to be able to touch it and it turns on. But as you can see, and when it turns on, it turns blue. The light turns blue. But as you can see, nothing is happening. So first, when I first got this, I could get it to work by I would keep messing with it. I'd try my palm, and sometimes my palm would work. But as I had this longer, it stopped turning on at all. So I thought I was just going to have to replace it, get rid of it, because I couldn't get it to work. But I did a little hacking on it, and I got it to work, so I was just going to share that with anyone else that has this speaker. So you basically just take a knife and you just pry up this little plastic layer. Okay, you get your knife under there. See if I can do this one-handed. You don't have to pry it completely up. You just pry it enough where you can see the sensor underneath. Okay, then put your finger on the sensor and voila, it turns on. Then you can just push down the plastic again and you're good to go. After a few seconds, right now it's booting up. After a few seconds it turns completely blue. And then you're good to listen to music. Okay? And that is the hack.